Do you feel? Do you feel?
Hello, dear one. Welcome. If you're feeling a bit in your head today, a bit anxious, a bit stressed, I really welcome you. And what I'd love to explore with you in this video is a simple but powerful practice, Tai Chi walking. When I'm anxious, unfortunately, there isn't a dial on my heart to slow my heart rate down or to stop the racing thoughts. But what you and I can do is move our bodies and slow the breath down. This is in your control. This is in your power. So let's start Tai Chi walking. The basics of it is rolling from heel to toe and trusting your feet so the spine is long. So you're not looking down at your feet and bringing your awareness down into your feet. So can you feel the rolling, the distribution of the weight? And you see I'm loading completely one foot, then placing the heel, rolling the weight, lifting, emptying the other foot, landing back down. And this is a moving meditation. So it's okay for the thoughts to still come and go. And also, can you consciously choose to bring your awareness down to your feet? You can always work out everything that you need to work out after this practice. Can you give yourself a little break, a little breath? And talking about the breath, I invite you to breathe in with me. Let's do 6 balanced breaths together. Breathing out. Breathing in through the nose, softening the face. Breathing out silently through the nose. Breathing in, down into the belly. Breathing out, softening the face. Breathing in, softening the forehead, the eyes. Breathing out, softening the cheeks and the jaw. Breathing in, the tongue resting lightly on the roof of the mouth. Breathing out. Last one, breathing in. Breathing out. Beautiful, well done. Keeping that breath nice and slow. Your awareness back at the feet, soft body. As we soften the body, we soften the mind. We don't need to fix anything in this moment. Can you embrace yourself just as you are, just for this moment? Maybe there are things that you want to change. But can you give yourself a break? You're welcome just as you are. And the reason that people have been coming to these mountains for hundreds of years is because humans have struggled for hundreds of years. Humans have needed to find themselves, to truly know themselves, in order to find some semblance of peace. And so you're not alone with your pain. To hurt is to be human. Your pain does not make you messed up. It's not a reason to say that you're insufficient. And so can you allow yourself to be hurting? That's okay as well. Acceptance is the sustainable starting point of true transformation. You say, hey, here we are, here I am. And then from that place of acceptance, we can begin to grow, shift, and change. And so for now, there's nothing to do, nowhere to go, no one to become. We just walk together. The face is soft, the breath deep, the breath slow, inviting stillness and emptiness. Simplicity is mastery. You may feel this walking is so simple. How could it help me? But breathing is simple. Sleeping is simple. Healthy eating is simple. We can overcomplicate what we need to do to live well. Simplicity is mastery. And so in this moment, can you just rest? To do this walking for its own sake, not with ideas of where you need to go or why you're doing it. We just walk together. So we're going to have another couple of minutes of silence now, walking together in presence. And each time you notice you're in your mind again, come back down to your feet. And not just your feet, your whole being. Just being present as you are. I would love to hear from you how this practice feels for you. If you felt any shifts, I'd love to hear in the comments. Master Gu and I, my Tai Chi master, we've made a whole course, Feel Better in 7 days with Tai Chi walking. But day by day, just for 7 minutes a day, we guide you deeper into this practice. If you enjoyed today, I think you're really going to love that. And then finally, there's a whole world to keep exploring with this. I'd recommend getting deeper into the Tai Chi movement. And there is a video here for you to explore with that. So let's meet to close our practice for today. Feet together, hands by the sides, and our Tai Chi salute. Fist with the right hand, palm over with the left. A bow. Well done. Honoring you, seeing you just as you are. Hope your practice serves you. See you soon.